Hi there! Are you taking a trip on a plane? That's exciting. I bet you'd like to know what to expect on your flying adventure. It all starts at home. You'll pack your bags full of the things that you'll need on your trip. Airports are very big. To get to your plane, you'll do lots of walking and might ride on buses, escalators, or elevators. Just be sure to stick close to your family. There will be lots of other people traveling too, which can mean crowds and noise. Before you get to your plane, you'll have one big job to do. This is the security line. You'll see people putting their bags through a big scanner. Put all of your stuff up on the belt. Then, you'll walk through a machine, get your things back, and go to your plane. When it's time, you'll line up to walk down the jetway, get on the plane, find your seat, and buckle up. Once all the people are in their seats, and the flight attendants have made sure everyone is safe, and the pilots are ready to go, it's time for takeoff. As the plane goes down the runway, it can get very loud and rumbly. Look how fast it's going! Then the plane lifts off the ground, and you're off. Now you can read or play games or sleep or talk to your family. But remember to use your inside voice. It's also important that you don't kick or pull on the seat in front of you so you don't disturb the person sitting there. My favorite thing to do while flying is to look out the window at everything below us. If there's bad weather, the ride can get a little bumpy. Seatbelts keep you from falling out of your seat and getting hurt. And don't worry, the pilots are working with air traffic controllers to fly you around the bad weather and keep you safe. When the flight is almost done, the plane will get closer and closer to the ground and then bump when it lands. It'll take a little while for the plane to get to the place where you can walk off. Keep your seatbelt on until the plane is totally stopped so you stay safe. Then you'll walk off, go get your bags, and enjoy your trip until it's time to get on the plane to come home. I can't wait to see you again. Bye-bye.